What is going on, everybody? Yvonne here, and today we're going to dive into something that saves a lot of lives. Well, the digital ones, which is going to be the file versioning in Proton Drive. Essentially, the main objective of the platform is whatever the version you had before the new one is going to save the old one and the new one as well. And that way, you don't have to worry about information getting lost or things slipping through the cracks. So if you guys are a student, a freelancer, creator, or even a business owner, this kind of creates a safety net for you guys, and that way you can undo your mistakes and get your work back. So let's go ahead and break down exactly how it works. Now, first things first, what is file versioning and why should we even care? File versioning is pretty much a time machine for any kind of files you guys store. So anytime you guys make changes to a file that's stored in Proton Drive, it goes ahead and saves the new version as well as the old version of the file as well. And that way, if you mess some things up on the new version, you can always go back to the older one. And honestly, that can remove a lot of fear, because let's say you guys are working on a project, right? And we save it, and if we make a mistake and can't go back, that can create a lot of headache. So this way, we're not going to be scared of making mistakes or having accidental overwrites. But the other important thing is the fact that now you can only have one version of whatever you're working on. You can probably remember your time in school when you were working on an assignment and you would name it like Final Assignment 3.0, right? And they have so many different other names associated with it as well. Instead, here you can have that one file you're working on, and if you want to go back to the other ones you worked on, you can always go back to the other version of it. Now, this is literally blocked here on Proton Drive, so I just wanted to show you guys how it works, and it's super simple. So if we go to any of the files here, like let's say here, yearly reports are selected, we can always go to the C version history. And once we click on the version history, we can see all the different versions that have existed prior, as well as all the changes have been made to it and who actually made it. So you can see here that the current version has been edited by Eric, but there's been other versions as well that have been edited yesterday at 12, 11, or 10 a.m. And if we ever want to go back to that one or even restore it, we can easily do that with a click of a button. So that's pretty much how it works. And don't worry, this whole thing is automatic, so you don't need to turn it on anywhere. It's automatically going to be done for you. So every single time you make an edit to that file, that new version is going to be saved. And don't worry, the older one is going to be saved as well. And this works for many different things, ranging from PDFs to presentations to even images. Now, here's the cool part. Proton only counts the newest version towards your guys' storage limit. So that way, you guys are not using any of your older versions towards your guys' storage limit. So that clutter that you had before, boom, gone. Now let's go ahead and go through some real life examples where file versioning can really save you. Hypothetically, let's say we're working on a blog post, and for some reason we accidentally delete a paragraph and then press save. And worst of all, the computer turns off and we can't press Command Z. Oh gee, what do we do from there? That's where file versioning can come in really clutch, because it's automatically going to save all the versions that you've been working on, and that way we can pull the other version with the paragraph in there. And same thing can be said regarding design or presentation type work. Because look, you've probably worked on group projects with other people, and sometimes you're just not happy with the changes that they made to the project. That has happened to every single person before. So instead of worrying that your precious work has been lost, you can always go back to the other version, and that way you can get the file that you actually like. So pretty much it functions like an undo button. Now here's a little bonus for you. When it comes to recovering your files, your guys' privacy is put on first, because this is Proton that we're talking about. So everything stays encrypted, even the old versions. And this can be huge because a lot of other cloud platforms have unencrypted backups. So that way you can be sure that your guys' file information is going to be in the right hands. And this is true especially if you guys are in the healthcare or the legal field, because that can save you a lot of trouble. So overall, what do I think about Proton file versioning? My honest opinion is that it gives you peace of mind. Not only can you make changes without being scared that you cannot go back to the other version, but you can be sure that all of your guys' files are encrypted. And that way, since everything lives under one umbrella, you can make your edits confidently. And in addition to that, Proton can save you guys' file version for up to 10 years, which is a huge amount of time. And that way, even 10 years down the line, nothing is going to slip through the cracks. Because look, accidents happen. That's just the nature of working with digital files. But with Proton's Drive versioning, you can be sure that everything is backed up and ready to go. So whether you're a solo creator or part of a bigger team, this can give you the confidence of moving fast without worrying of breaking things. And it's already pre-installed, so you don't have to worry about setting it up. So if you guys do want to try out the platform for yourself, the link for it is going to be down below in the description. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, as it tremendously helps support the channel. Till next time, peace.